So that was the wrist, but I must say, the gentleman at Mengelmoes Kardus says that he's moved here just before lockdown in COVID 2020, and it was the best move he ever made. He came from Cape Town. He's so happy here. Incredible though.
Those cliffs on the side of the mountains.
Oh, fantastic. Now and then there comes a time when one's starving and you haven't prepared anything and you don't have time to go and sit at the restaurant, and you buy yourself these. Chips and 4 snack burgers from KFC.
Look at those feather dusters, babe.
Wow.
Oh, good heavens, how pretty is that?
Crazy, the colors are bright, eh?
Oh. Okay, back to breakfast. Sorry.
Chips and 4 snack burgers that we're going to have while we're driving through the Robinson's Pass. But I think they'll be finished before we reach that pass.
No doubt.
We've been on this road before, just through Oudtshoorn, and we went through all this in a previous trip, but I've never turned down this road to Mossel Bay to get through the Robinson's Pass.
You'll love it. Did you see the sign when we exited Oudtshoorn? It says, "Thank you for visiting Oudtshoorn. May the feathers be with you."
Birdie. It's absolutely stunning, eh?
And it's such a beautiful day.
Yeah.
Not a cloud in the sky.
Moras River. I haven't seen a sign saying that this is the Robinson Pass, but I presume this is it. And it looks like we're nearly at the top already. You know, I might be jumping the gun. Maybe we haven't even reached the pass yet. This is just a baby pass ahead of it. Doesn't seem like a baby to me. Ah, Robinson Pass. 860 meters. This is it. Okay.
So there's the stats.
Oh wow, 1869. That's the stats. Robinson Pass. 1869, it was reconstructed in 1951. And this is the Oudtshoorn Nature Reserve.
Well, the hiking trail, I see.
Yeah, it looks like it, eh? This is from the top of the Robinson Pass, but look at this.
Beautiful mountain. Huh?
Telling you. It's a pity it's so cold because look at this.
only when you open the window.
Yeah.
It's all fine.
So this is a World Heritage Site. I just want to take a walk and see if I can get to this view. Just look at that. Wow. There in the distance is Mossel Bay. Absolutely amazing. I must be honest, I'm so glad we decided to take this road.
All right.
Might be a tar road, but it's really beautiful. These views are absolutely amazing.
It is beautiful, yeah.
There in the distance is Mossel Bay.
Oh, that's right.
Wild.
And it's still far, hey?
Yeah. Absolutely beautiful. I must be honest, this is one of the quicker descents on a pass that I've seen. Brings us down very quickly.
It does, eh? Definitely going down quick.
Yeah.
You say you're planning on arriving home at 5:30?
At the latest.
Let's see.
I'd like to get there earlier.
That'll be great.
Yeah. Well, the pass is over. It was a stunning one. Really amazing views of Mossel Bay from the top there. But yeah, we've got about 20 kilos to go and we reach Mossel Bay. Then we hit the N2 and we head home. Into Cape Town.
Big holiday vibe, yeah, in Hartbeespoort.
Telling you.
Oh, it's all the way on the N2.
All the way on the N2. Such a beautiful day there.
Fantastic.
Wow.
Clear blue skies. So the board said 407, right?
Yeah.
So we have about 360, I'd say, to go.
Yes, to meet the strand.
Aren't you always amazed at how Mossel Bay has grown?
Can't believe it.
Such a huge place. I'm always astonished at how big it's become.
Look there in the distance, you can see the canola fields. That's right next to the road there.
Yeah, you see, I'm coming.
Wow. Look at this. Absolutely amazing. Coming through Riversdale. Into Heidelberg. Just gonna go through Heidelberg. Coming into Rivier Sonder End.
Fuel stop.
Fuel stop for both of us. The vehicle and ourselves. I had to just stop off here on the N2. You don't see this, only at a certain time of the year do you see the fields looking like this. That's fantastic. So we are approaching Caledon.
We have entered the town limits.
Yeah. So here we're going down Sir Lowry's Pass. And crazy traffic.
The sun though.
It's like hectic. It's been quiet. The N2's been quite nice actually.
Halfway between Caledon and Gordon's Bay.
It just started picking up, yeah.
Even came to a complete standstill just before Grabo.
Yep. But yeah, now at least we're maintaining a nice speed of 80.
We're moving. And it's just 3 minutes to 4.
Telling you, we did good time.
Yeah, we did make very good time.
I was thinking 5:30, but I'm thinking in terms of gravel road lately. So I add on a few hours just in case. Oh, look at those beautiful mountains there.
Yeah.
Home sweet home.
Something comforting always about coming home, hey? Especially if it's as gorgeous as this.
Yeah, can't ask for more.
See you at the car wash.
Yeah, we're standing in line to get the car washed. We made it in time. Quite busy today. Check them drying all the vehicles in the back there. So it's going to take us a while to get out of here. This is us on the inside of the car while they're washing the outside. All the soap suds. Car wash done. 45 minutes later.
All offloaded, and we are taking the car back to the airport.
Yes, it's that time of the week again. Our trip has come to an end. Our car's clean, we're on our way to the airport. But we can see the difference. It's still a bit light now going to the airport. So summer's on its way. It doesn't feel like it, but summer's on its way. Just want to say thank you so much for joining us on this trip. If you enjoyed the trips, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and we'll see you in the next episode.